Mastering military commands. Left flank, march. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of military commands, particularly focusing on the phrase, left flank, march. This phrase might sound like a simple set of words, but it holds significant importance in military drills and parades. If you're curious about the precision and discipline in military commands or just love enriching your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Before we dissect the phrase, left flank, march, let's get comfortable with some basic terms. In military terminology, a flank refers to the side of a formation. It's crucial in strategic movements during drills or actual combat. The term, march, here doesn't just mean to walk. It signifies moving forward with a specific rhythm or pattern, often in unison when in a group. Now, let's break it down. Left flank, march, is a command given to a unit, indicating that every member should pivot on their left foot and start moving to their left, all while maintaining their formation and pace. It's not just a turn, it's a coordinated move where the unity and precision of the group are paramount. You might wonder, why so much emphasis on a single command? Well, in military drills, every command, including left flank, march, serves multiple purposes. Discipline. Following commands promptly instills discipline. Unity. Moving in unison enhances the feeling of unity and strength. Readiness. Drills prepare soldiers for the coordination needed in real combat scenarios. Understanding such phrases enriches your English, especially if you're interested in historical texts, movies, or even video games with military themes. It's not just about the words. It's about the culture and the discipline that these words represent. And that's a wrap on left flank, march. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the precise and disciplined world of military commands and enriched your understanding of the English language in a unique context. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.